Hey everybody, welcome to Price Mixing It Up. Here's my garden glove. Whoop, whoop. Welcome to Gardening Chronicles, okay? So, we're getting ready to do some gardening and I'm just kind of taking you through my process. These are the roses I have. Aren't they beautiful? Look at that. Can you smell it? Can you smell it? Huh? That's the yellow rose. And then I have like a white rose. These are gonna go in the garden box, which I'll show you a little bit later. So thank you for joining me today in my garden, in my yard. This is one other thing that I really like doing, cooking, talking, and gardening. So this is Price Mixing It Up. Welcome to my yard today. Thank you for viewing. Hit like if you like this video. Please like and share, because if you like it, someone else will like it. And then while you're at it, if you're not a subscriber, would you please subscribe? Hit the notifications bell so that way when I upload a new video, you'll be in the know. So guess what I'm gonna tell you right now, and I'll tell you later. Remember to what? Make it a great day. This is Price Mixing It Up. Whoop, whoop. See you soon in the garden. Okay, Gardening Chronicles today. Let's see, we bought these little roses. They're gonna go in a garden box. Aloe vera's doing well. My green smoothie's looking good. Look over here. Here's the greens. They're ready to go in the garden box, so I'm gonna get still some soil. Collard greens, y'all. Pretty good. I'm learning from my sister Sonia. I gotta wait till they flower, get the seeds, and then I can breed some more. I guess that's what you call it, breeding. And so I'm going to be planting some tomatoes. Those are radish that I came from seed. We got some zucchini, and we got some peppers. Tomatoes, peppers, zucchini. And these are the Blue Lake green beans in the soil that have not yet come up. These are the radish that have come up. So Gardening Chronicles, y'all. Here we go. Okay, so we got a garden box. And got a lot of things going on here. I'm gonna put the, I think I'm gonna put the, can't decide if I'm gonna put the zucchini in there or the tomatoes. Regrowing some jade from a big jade I had. Got a new box over here. Let me put some roses here. This is going to be a rose bed. A raised rose bed. Yep. That's my Gardening Chronicles for today. You with Price Mixing It Up? A little visitor. Look at there. Oh, shucking. Look at that. Oh, look at it. I love butterflies. Y'all know. Well, maybe you don't know, but now you know I'm a butterfly person. Transformation. What is it? A caterpillar? Right? And it's also a pollinator, huh? Now it is. But it's a caterpillar. And then what? It goes in this little cocoon. Oh, I landed. Remember as kids we used to get a jar and catch them. There it is. This is a white one. Look at that. It's just sitting there. However, that cocoon, they go into that cocoon for a length of time. And then they spin, spin, spin. They spin themselves out of that cocoon. Or they spin into the cocoon. It's one or the other. And then, what do they do next? They bust out of there, and it's a beautiful butterfly. Transformation, or you want to call it metamorphosis. It's still there. Look at that. Ooh, there it goes. Oh, shucking. Y'all know that's one? No, you don't know. I always say y'all know, and then I say no, you don't, because maybe you don't. Maybe it's your first time with me on my page, Price Mixing It Up. So these were once mini roses. About 4 years ago. I just kept them bound, right? Now they're free. So they're growing and blossoming. I had them in the small little cases they came in. Then I planted them in the ground a couple of years ago. They weren't in good soil. You know, soil is so important to gardening. But now they're in good soil and they're starting to blossom. These roses will be red. So the others are yellow. They'll be on the other side of the yard. Okay, Gardening Chronicles, y'all. So this is my garden box. It's a triple. So I had it built with a small size for like tomatoes. I'm not sure if I'll do tomatoes or peppers here. This larger one is going to be for the collard greens. And again, another small size. So it's in triple. And there's jade that I grew small bundles. So got 3 jades there. And here's my lemon tree. My lemon tree used to be in a bin. It was bound. Now it's free. It's flowering. So I'm looking for some lemons this year. It's a dwarf Meyer. So the first year I had it bared, I don't know, 4 or 5 lemons. I'm expecting more this time. So the winter season is citrus season. And so I'm sure by winter, it will be doing really well. Looking forward to it. Okay, y'all. Hey, y'all. Thanks for joining me today on Price Mixing It Up in my garden. I appreciate your time, and I really appreciate you checking in on this channel. So, again, it's Price Mixing It Up. Whoop, whoop. I'll see you again real soon. May the Lord continue to bless you.